United States Secretary of State Antony Blinken is scheduled to visit India next week. He is the second Biden administration official to visit India after U.S. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin. Blinken is set to discuss a range of issues with his Indian counterpart S. Jaishankar. The agenda will include talks on the Indo-Pacific region, the Afghanistan situation and Quad. As the Taliban terrorists make rapid territorial gains in the war-ravaged region, both the United States and India have remained in touch on the issue. Remember, the Indian External Affairs Minister had met the U.S. Deputy National Security Advisor Elizabeth Sherwood Randall and the U.S. Special Representative on Afghanistan Zalmay Khalilzad last week in Uzbekistan on the sidelines of the Connectivity Summit. The Quad plan is likely to dominate the discussions. The meeting can be considered as a precursor to the in-person Quad meeting, which will be hosted by the U.S. later this year. The current talks will also help to prepare for Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's bilateral visit to America this year. Vaccine diplomacy is also set to prominently feature in the talks next week. During the last virtual Quad meeting held in March, the leaders had cracked a landmark initiative to increase COVID-19 vaccine production capacity. The rollout will be of 1 billion coronavirus jabs by the year 2022 for exports to the Indo-Pacific region. The plan contributes towards countering China's growing vaccine diplomacy. Remember, the meeting will be Blinken's second in-person meeting with S. Jaishankar. This will be taking place in a gap of just 2 months. The first meeting took place during Jaishankar's bilateral visit to the United States. And our principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddhant Sibal, has been tracking those developments, is now joining us live from New Delhi. Siddhant, tell us more about what to expect from this crucial visit.
Well, the visit happens next week. The dates still aren't out, but I do expect that not only he will visit New Delhi, but other countries as well in the region. But if it is just a standalone visit to Delhi, it is a message of how strong the relationship is between the two countries. On the table will be several issues that will be discussed, but of course Afghanistan remains a top priority and a worry for the countries, both India and United States. Interestingly, next week we'll also see the visit of the Afghan army chief to New Delhi. That is another visit that will be looked forward to in terms of what will be the outcome, how New Delhi can help and support Afghanistan. But nonetheless, when it comes to Washington-New Delhi partnership, this is a partnership, a celebrated partnership, and this has seen engagement on several issues, especially Indo-Pacific, amidst the increased Chinese aggressiveness. I do expect that there will be a long discussion on the Chinese aggressiveness, especially with India. Remember, there have been conversations in the past as well, with focus, of course, on the increased worry of Chinese aggressiveness, and that Beijing is not very keen to follow a rules-based international order. But nonetheless, this being the fourth meeting between the two ministers will be a significant one for the simple reason that is happening here in New Delhi. He is, of course, the second Biden administration official to be here in Delhi. While there has been increased engagement with New Delhi, if you look at Pakistan, there hasn't been even a phone conversation between Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan and the US President Joe Biden since he took charge in January. So clearly it looks like Pakistan's continuous support to terrorism is going to hurt it diplomatically, and that is seen on the ground as well.
Siddhant Sibal, we're leaving it there for the moment. Thanks very much for those updates. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.